Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech and Tips with King. In this video, I'm going to show how you can install and run LibreOffice in your Android using Exagear Windows Emulator application. So without any wasting of time, let's get into the video. In this video, I'm going to show how you can install and run LibreOffice software in your Android using Exagear Windows Emulator application. So in this video, I'm going to show how you can install the PC version of the LibreOffice in your Android. LibreOffice basically is a software, document making software, same like MS Office. So in this software, we can make a lot of documents. So in this video, I'm going to show how you can do it. So first of all, you have to download and install the Exagear Windows Emulator application. I have already made a separate tutorial video on how you can download, install and run Exagear Windows Emulator application in your Android. And second thing, you have to download the Libreoffice Setup file, the downloading in the description. Now first of all, I'm going to open the Exagear Windows Emulator application, and now I'm going to open the Manage Containers. So I'm going to click to Run Explorer. So as you can see, the Exagear Windows Emulator application is starting up here, and as you can see, this is the desktop and it will be in the landscape mode. So let me just turn the Android phone, set up the camera and come back again. So as you can see in the screen, this is the desktop of the Exagear Windows Emulator application, and this is the file manager. So after downloading LibreOffice setup file, make sure it will be in the download folder of your Android internal storage, because the Exagear will only going to access the download folder of your Android internal storage. So now I'm going to, so as you can see, this is the file manager and this is the D drive. Now I can access all the files of my Android internal storage of the download folder. So this is the LibreOffice setup file. Now I'm going to open it. So the installation process will going to take some time, about half an hour. So make sure you have a lot of time. And as you can see, this is the LibreOffice 3.4 version. Let me just click to next. So let me just click to unpack. So as you can see, it will extracting over here. So the installation process will going to take some time. So as you can see in the screen, it will checking up the computing space requirement and the device. It will scanning the device. The device is compatible to install or not, and the space requirement. So here it will going to take some time. So as you can see in the screen, so let me just click to next. So now I'm going to add the name of the user. So I'm going to add, so just now add the name of the username. So let me just click to next, click to next. Now you can choose the installation type, typical or custom. So let me just click on the typical and just next, basic. So let create a start link on the desktop. So let me just click to install. So as you can see, the LibreOffice installing over here. As I already told you, it will going to take a lot of time to install. First of all, they will extract the packs, then unpack, then as you can see here, it will installing, and opening of the software will going to again take some time. So I am going to fast forward this video during this video. So as you can see in this screen, the installation process has been successfully complete and it's installed. So let me just click to finish. So the LibreOffice has been successfully installed in my Android phone with using Exagear Windows Emulator application. So now I'm going to open the LibreOffice from the start button. So as you can see, this is the start button. Just now click on it. So I'm going to click on the programs, and as you can see, there are already installed a lot of softwares in my Exagear. As you can see, Double Commander, Honeyview, LibreOffice, Turbo C. So if you want to know how to install all this software, you can check out my previous video. There are a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. So now I'm going to open the LibreOffice. And as you can see, I've already told you the LibreOffice is a office same like Microsoft Office. We can make a lot of documents. So I'm going to open the LibreOffice drawer to test whether the LibreOffice is working or not. So just now I've opened the LibreOffice drawer, and it will take a very long time to install, and again it will going to take a lot of time to open for the very first time. After it will install very fast. After it will open very fast, and the installation process is only for once. You did not require to install again and again. So as you can see, the LibreOffice is opening up in my Android phone. It will take a few time. It will going to take some time to open for the very first time in my Android phone. So this is the desktop of the Exagear Windows Emulator application, and this is the software which is installed in the Exagear, Turbo C++, LoFlash, Intro Banner Maker, Double Commander, Honeyview, Kmillion Browser, Ultra ISO software. So this is all the softwares I've installed in my Android phone with using Exagear Windows Emulator application. You can check out my previous video for that steps to install in Android. So it will taking time to open. So as you can see, the LibreOffice 3 is opening up here. Again, it will going to take some time to open. And one more thing I forget to tell you before installing the LibreOffice. Sorry, I'm really sorry for that. Before installing LibreOffice, you need to install a Java Runtime environment software. So in my previous video, I've already shown that how you can install. So before installing LibreOffice, make sure to install Java Runtime environment in your Android, because without that software, the LibreOffice will not going to open in your Android. So in that video, I've already mentioned that there are upcoming video on this software. The Java Runtime environment is required. In that video, I've already told. So this is the LibreOffice I'm installing in Android. So make sure you install the Java Runtime environment software in your Android Exagear before installing the LibreOffice. I'm really sorry, I have to tell this before, but I forget. So now I'm telling, before installing LibreOffice, make sure to install Java Runtime environment software. So as you can see, the Libre software is opening up here. Again, it will going to take some time because it will enabling and extracting and unpacking all these fonts and any clip parts and many other things of the Office. So I'm going to again fast forward this video and come back after it's fully opened. So finally, as you can see in the screen, the LibreOffice has been successfully opened in my Android. So this is the LibreOffice drawer, and the software is automatically open here after taking very long time. So at first it will going to take some time. I already told that. So it will going to unpack, extract all the files of the Office, and it's been open here as been successfully. So it will take in about approximately from installing to opening, it will take in about 45 minutes in my Android phone. But after installed and opening for the first time, it didn't take very long time, just few seconds to open in any Android phone. So as you can see, this is the LibreOffice, and there are a lot of options over here. And as you can see, this is the page. Now I can make a lot of documents and can draw a lot of things. So as you can see, this is the text. All the features of the LibreOffice is perfectly working. So I'm going to end up this video here only because it will take a very long time in my Android. So as you can see, now I can type anything over here and can save documents in my Android phone. So as you can see, this is the way how you can make a document. So I'm going to end up this video here only. I'm not going to show how you can use it, a tutorial video. So if you want me to make a tutorial video on how you can make document and how you can save in your Android phone and how you can view that edited document in your Android phone, so let me know in the comments. I try to make another video on it, that how you can use a LibreOffice in Android in this Exagear. So I'm going to bring another tutorial video, so let me know in the comments. So as you can see, this is the LibreOffice has been successfully installed in my Android with using Exagear Windows Emulator application. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. If any question or problem, let me know in the comments. Thank you.